I think the university is looking for, and really in my perception, really needs to have a more community-oriented policing approach to having our police department, having the Division of Public Safety be more involved in what's going on in the university, both here at the Health Sciences campus and at the Somerville campus. And so that falls right in line with my philosophy and how what I feel college and university policing should be about. It should be about the educational process of the institution, helping our students get educated, get through that educational process successfully, and in the process making sure that we are out in the community building trust with the community members to help them be successful and help those students be successful. What I mean by the community policing approach is finding those opportunities to be able to engage the community in a positive way. So being out in the community. So that's no longer driving around in an air-conditioned bubble or heated bubble, whatever it is, waiting for crime to happen. That is getting out in the community, talking to people, talking to students, staff, faculty, visitors, making our officers available to the public. And it could be something as simple as opening up a door for a professor. Those positive interactions build equity and build trust within the department, so that way when things happen, when crises occur, or when that professor or student or whoever it is that we've engaged in the past has a problem, then they feel comfortable in being able to approach us to help them solve their problems. So it's also, like I said, being proactive, being out there in the community and making sure that we're looking for potential crime. We're looking for ways to solve community problems that could lead to crime. So that's kind of an example of what that community policing approach looks like. Our educational process is not only getting the student to graduate successfully and be able to be marketable and finding a job, but it's also making sure that the students are as free as they can be from crime. And part of that is the educational process in terms of providing educational programs, whether it be RAD training or whether it be education on being able to make sure that when you're walking from point A to point B, we give you crime tips to help prevent yourself from being a victim of crime. And part of that is making sure that we provide education to students, staff, and faculty on what to do in case of an emergency, in case of an active shooter situation. So we want to make sure that our students, staff, and faculty, visitors, and patients are as equipped as they can with the education that they need to keep themselves safe.